Hey there, parents and caregivers. Are you tired of endlessly searching for the perfect car seat that grows with your child? Look no further. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide to the best convertible car seats on the market. We'll break down essential features, safety ratings, and must-have functions to ensure your little one rides in comfort and style. From newborns to toddlers, we've got you covered. So buckle up and join us as we explore the top-rated options, helping you make the best choice for your family's safety and peace of mind. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing parenting tips. Number 5. Maxi-Cosi Pria All-in-One Convertible Car Seat, the ultimate solution for parents seeking a reliable and adaptable car seat that grows with their child. It's perfect for transitioning from newborns, 4 to 40 pounds, to toddlers, 22 to 65 pounds, and even booster mode for kids up to 100 pounds. Designed with families in mind, the Pria ensures ease of use with its hassle-free in and out harness holders, allowing your little one to buckle up without any fuss. Crafted with ultra-soft pure Cosi fabrics, this car seat prioritizes your child's comfort while being kind to the planet. The removable infant pillows provide optimal security and snugness during those first rides home, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Plus, machine washable fabrics make cleaning a breeze. The Maxi-Cosi Pria truly stands out as the best convertible car seat, offering unmatched comfort and security for every stage of your child's development. Make your family journeys effortless and enjoyable with this exceptional car seat. Number 4. Britax Poplar Convertible Car Seat, the ultimate 2-in-1 solution for your child's safety and comfort. Designed to fit rear-facing up to 50 pounds, this car seat allows your little one to enjoy safe rides for longer. With its innovative click-tight technology, installation is a breeze, no more guessing or stressing. The fully labeled seat belt paths and automatic tensioner ensure a snug fit every time. Its space-saver design features a slim 17-inch exterior, allowing for 3 across installations without compromising on the trusted Britax safety and comfort. The 14-position quick-adjust headrest and harness grow with your child, providing a perfect fit as they develop. The Britax Poplar is equipped with a durable carbon steel frame, patented V-shaped tether, and safe cell crumple zone for added protection. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with naturally flame-retardant fabrics. Cleanup is a cinch with a washer and dryer friendly cover and dishwasher-safe cup holders. Number 3. Evenflo Convertible Car Seat with Quick Clean Cover, Revolve 360 Extend in Rockland Green, the best convertible car seat on the market. This revolutionary design ensures extended rear-facing protection up to 50 pounds, prioritizing your child's safety from infancy to toddlerhood. With effortless convenience in mind, the 360 degrees one-hand rotation allows for easy access, making getting your child in and out a breeze. The innovative Quick Clean Cover simplifies the process of removal, washing, and reattachment, ensuring a fresh and comfortable seat every time. Built with a sturdy, steel-reinforced frame, this car seat guarantees long-lasting durability and safety, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Adapting as your child grows, it seamlessly transitions through 3 modes: rear-facing, 4 to 50 pounds, forward-facing, 22 to 65 pounds, and booster, 40 to 120 pounds, with dimensions of 19.8-inch W x 25.9-H x 21.0D. With over 4 generations of experience, Evenflo continues to support families by offering leading-edge safety, smart innovation, and everyday convenience. Invest in your child's safety and comfort with the Evenflo Revolve 360 Extend. Number 2. Graco Turn 2Me 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat is an exceptional choice for parents seeking safety, convenience, and versatility. Featuring a unique one-hand rotation, this car seat effortlessly switches from rear-facing to forward-facing, adapting to your child's needs from 4 to 100 pounds. With its innovative 3-in-1 design, it transitions seamlessly from a rear-facing car seat, 4 to 40 pounds, to a forward-facing seat, 22 to 65 pounds, and finally to a high-back booster, 40 to 100 pounds. Installation has never been easier thanks to the Snug Lock technology, which guarantees a secure setup in under a minute. The Graco Protect Plus engineered safety features, including the Nori thread harness system, ensure your child is protected during every journey. With 10 adjustable headrest positions, this seat grows with your child, offering a custom fit at every stage. The convenient inride latch system allows for a quick and secure attachment with just a click. Durably constructed and equipped with plush inserts, the Graco Turn 2Me provides comfort and peace of mind for parents. Experience the best convertible car seat that combines innovation and safety. Number 1. Chicco Fit 360 ClearTex Rotating Convertible Car Seat, your ultimate solution for child safety and comfort on the road. This remarkable car seat boasts the 360 degrees one-hand rotation feature, effortlessly transitioning between rear-facing, 4 to 40 pounds, and forward-facing, 26.5 to 65 pounds, positions. The quick secure harness system, with its magnetic chest clip and harness pockets, simplifies the loading and unloading process, making every journey a breeze. Safety is paramount with the lever-lock self-tensioning lock system, guaranteeing a secure installation. Enjoy peace of mind with the flame retardant-free and GREENGUARD Gold certified design, ensuring low chemical emissions for healthier air quality. The built-in ventilation allows for optimal airflow, while the dishwasher-safe cup holders and machine-washable fabrics make cleanup easy. With its versatile design and thoughtfully crafted features, the Chicco Fit 360 ClearTex is the best convertible car seat for your family's on-the-go lifestyle. In conclusion, investing in the best convertible car seat ensures your child's safety and comfort during every journey. With various features and options available, you can select the perfect fit for your family's needs. Remember, the right choice today can make all the difference tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Also, share this video with friends who might need this information.